Want to start a profitable bulk SMS reseller business with PRP services? It's simple. Research the demand for bulk SMS services. Identify clients like businesses, schools, and healthcare providers. Choose PRP services for competitive pricing, robust infrastructure, and great support. Register your business, create a website, and set competitive pricing. Integrate PRP Services API for seamless SMS delivery. Get training on their platform. Use PRP Services white label panel to offer a fully branded experience for your clients. Build your customer base through online marketing and networking. Enhance your services with personalized messaging and analytics. Provide excellent support to retain clients and get referrals. Ready to start? Partner with PRP Services today. Use our white label panel and grow your reseller business. We are here to support you.